Bitcoin plunges below $84,000. Market panic or just a hiccup? Today, Bitcoin plunged below $84,000, marking its lowest point since mid-November 2024. After peaking at $106,000 around Trump's inauguration, the flagship crypto has shed over 17% in the past month. Economic uncertainty, tariff jitters, and a massive $956 million outflow from US spot Bitcoin ETFs this month, the worst on record, are among the culprits cited by analysts. However, some traders perceive a positive aspect, suggesting that Bitcoin may be taking liquidity prior to a potential recovery. At Dynamic Nexus Crypto, we view this dip as a warning sign. Bitcoin's slide signals broader market unease, and those ETF outflows suggest even big players are rethinking their bets. But here's the kicker. Analyst Michael Van de Poppy says this could be a setup for a bounce back. If you're holding Bitcoin or considering a purchase, this could be a significant opportunity. Or maybe not. Chris Burnisk warns against brushing this off as a mid-cycle correction. If macroeconomic trends keep souring, like rising inflation or stricter tariffs, this could spiral into a bearish purgatory. Are we too quick to call it a dip when it might be a cliff? Bitcoin's testing our nerves, no doubt. Keep your eyes on key levels. $82,000 could be the floor, or it might just be a pit stop. In the realm of cryptocurrency, volatility is paramount and perseverance could potentially yield significant rewards.